Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about the C-61 D-52 window coverings contractor license. Now, a windows covering contractor installs or applies decorative, architectural, functional window glass treatment or covering products, including but not limited to the following: all types of materials and fabrics that make up lavures, blackout blinds, shutters, venetian mini blinds, residential or commercial draperies, screens, expanded metal window and door guards, plastic film window treatments, and any other window treatment applied for temperature control or as a screening device. And that definition is straight from the CSLB website, and that's the Contractors State License Board. So essentially, you need a D-52 license to bid on any window coverings related projects that exceed $500 in labor and materials. Now, the time frame that it takes to get the window coverings license typically is about 90 days. You can expect a 6 to 8 week application processing time, and then generally another 3 to 4 weeks before you go and take your test. Now, the basic requirements for a California contractor license are that you're at least 18 years of age, you've got to have a valid driver's license or USAID, you'll need a Social Security or ITIN number, and you can't currently be on probation or parole. Experience requirements are that you have at least 4 years full-time journeyman level experience within the last 10 years. You've got to have somebody who can sign off on that experience, and you've got to be able to submit documentation to the CSLB if they ask to see proof. Now, who can you use to sign off on your experience? You could use a general contractor, somebody that holds the D-52 window coverings license. You could use a foreman or supervisor, fellow journeyman or employee, and in some cases even a business associate. And for more information on filling out the CSLB license application correctly, you can check out the links to the description of this video. Now, criminal history. Everybody's got to do live scan fingerprinting when they apply for a California contractor license. Be honest on the application. If your charges don't fall under fraud, forgery, or embezzlement, you should be okay, but be ready to submit court documents just in case. Now, what's on the exam? The window coverings license is a C specialty classification, C-61 specialty classification, meaning there is no trade exam. You'll only need to take one test. It's going to be 115 questions on contractor license law. You'll have 3 hours to complete the test. It's multiple choice. It's going to be done on site on a computer, and you can bring a translator the day of the exam. Now, the CSLB Law and Business exam covers business organization, covers business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and there's a portion on public works. Now, for study guides and online practice tests, check out the links in the description of this video. Now, after you pass your test, you'll get your results immediately. Typically, you can take a retake in about 3 weeks, but once you pay your license activation fee, you provide your contractor bond number, you should get your contractor license in the mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the costs associated with the California contractor license include a CSLB state application fee, there's a license activation fee, and then you'll pay a renewal fee every 2 years. You'll pay for the cost of fingerprinting, you'll pay for a contractor bond, and that's pretty much it. And at the end of this video, you'll see a video showing you the most up-to-date CSLB license costs. I suggest you check out that video. Just want to thank you for watching. For additional information on getting licensed, bonded, trade skills, and more, like and subscribe to our channel. Any questions that you have about the D-52 license or any other California contractor license, drop them in the comments of this video. But again, thanks for watching, and this is digitalconstructive.com.